Hi, I'm Debbie Barnett, and I've got some exciting news to share. Introducing Mah Jongg Magic, my first Mah Jongg book, created especially for children ages 4 to 6. A gentle introduction to the game we love. Mah Jongg isn't just a game. It's tradition, it's laughter, it's generations around a table. But where does it begin? This book was created to help children recognize the tiles, learn their names, and feel comfortable with Mah Jongg before learning the rules. No pressure, just familiarity and fun. Children can practice counting, recognize colors, match suits, learn patience, take turns. For families, it's a beautiful way to share Mah Jongg across generations. Read together, point to the tiles, tell stories, laugh. And as a special bonus, included inside is my first Mah Jongg card. When your child is ready, it offers a simple way to begin grouping tiles without it being overwhelming. And this is just the beginning. Coming soon, book 2 in the series, designed for ages 7 to 9, where children will begin learning how to actually play the game in a simple, age-appropriate way. Mah Jongg connects us. Now that connection can begin even earlier. Mah Jongg Magic, my first Mah Jongg book. Get your copy today and spread the love of Mah Jongg to the little ones in your life. Available now on Amazon. Or, if you're local in the Villages, Florida, reach out for a signed copy. Let's build the next generation of Mah Jongg players together.